I'll never forget this day.
Alright, yesterday I came to France. Yes, guys, I came to France. I was driving around northern France, and guess what? And I actually like it. It's so nice here. Beautiful nature and cool culture, but there's one big problem that it's actually dirty in France. It was unacceptable because I thought Europe was cleaner. But still, I like it, especially Paris, because Paris is so underrated that I think it should have more visitors than it currently have. Yes, guys. And tonight I came to my first hotel, where I'll be for a few days and will be hang out there. So let's rate it. Alright guys, I already arrived at France. I'm in France now. It's been fucking 5 a.m. I was really not ready for this trip. Like, I wasn't ready that I will arrive at 5 a.m. because I'm usually asleep at 5 a.m. I can't do anything at 5 a.m. I thought I'll be arrive here at 1 a.m. but no, I came 4 hours later than I thought. That's crazy. I was really annoyed when I come here. I was really tired when I came here. Those heavy bags. But today I'll see my room and I'll rate it from 1 to 10. Okay, first will be this is not room. This is outside, but still in the house because there are stairs. And here I can sit, and whenever I want to eat or talk with someone. Very good atmosphere. I will rate it 10 points from 10. But this is not a room because this is outside, but still. Nice job. Alright, here is the main room of this house. Here we can see the couch where we can sit and enjoy our meal just like outside. And here's 𝗵𝐴 where we can make food hot. Here's some forks and spoons. Yeah, here we have also cups, glass cups, and also we can make water to wash dishes. Alright, here is the fridge and here is the TV. Here we can also put things like this cap from 𝐈'𝐥𝐥. And we can turn off or on light. Alright, I'll rate this room 8 from 10 because it's too small for me for some reason. Oh, bathroom here. Like already another room. I don't know how it happens. Bath. Yes, guys. This is bath. And here is window. It's raining outside. And again me mirror, and me. Hello, guys. Hello. There is one minus that there is no these things. In Russian it will be 𝗵𝐴. In English I forgot what is it called. I'm sorry for my terrible English. But I speak mostly Russian or Ukrainian in my life, so yes. How do you rate it, guys? Rate it 6 from 10. Also a toilet here. Don't turn off this thing, this is electricity. Here's a lot of toilet paper. Here. And toilet. No. Luckily not 𝗵𝐴. Alright, everything is here. Alright, I'll rate it 9 from 10. This is the best room for now. Okay, here I'm rating the bedroom. The first bedroom, because there are 2 bedrooms. Luckily we have where to put clothes. We have in first bedroom 2 beds to sleep. Here we can put clothes. And everything is well here. I rate it 7 from 10. Second bedroom here. Here we can see the lamp. One big bed. Where I can also... But there's... Wait, there's charger. Wait, what? There's no charger? My laptop will not work without charger. I know, here is charger. So, I can put a charger here and connect it with laptop. And then, when I'll got Wi-Fi, I'll be free to make new videos like this. I'm recording this from phone right now. Alright. There are smaller places to put clothes, but at least there are more places and there are a lot of places to put. And there's also a mirror. Here's my face reveal. Hello. And also a small table to put small things like alarm, toothpaste, or kind of another. There was that mosquito wall. There was good. Alright, I'll rate it 8 from 10. Alright, this was an amazing room. I liked it at all. It was beautiful and it's really a quiet place to hang out. But of course, if you are alone, like if you are with your mom or with your family, like me, then it will be a bit harder to relax because they will welcome you to some trips that you wanna go and you just wanted to hang out in this room. But it doesn't matter now because this is I'm rating this at all, doesn't consider if you are with someone or not. This is the best room I ever saw. Not the best, but like other I visited, almost all of these were the same. And guess what? I liked it. I like it. The best thing it's a TV and a shower. Like I don't think toilet and shower should be in different rooms. I prefer it in one rooms, but it's still good. So yeah, guys. How do you rate it? Okay, I am rated it 8 from 10 in overall. In total, 8 points from 10. Yes, guys. Now let me hang out. Happy summer to you.